Zinger burger recipe. 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper optional. For extra spiciness, 1/2 cup buttermilk or regular milk mixed with 1 tablespoon vinegar. Vegetable oil for frying. For burger buns, lettuce, lettuce, tomato slice, mayonnaise. Hot sauce optional. 2. In a shallow dish, mix together the flour, salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper if using. 3. Dip each chicken breast into the buttermilk, allowing any excess to drip off, and then coat it thoroughly with the flour mixture. Press the chicken into the flour mixture to ensure it adheres well. 4. In a large skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the coated chicken breasts and fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 5. While the chicken is frying, prepare the burger buns. Slice them in half and lightly toast them in a separate skillet or toaster. 6. Assemble the Zinger burgers by spreading mayonnaise on the bottom halves of the toasted buns. Add lettuce leaves, tomato slices, and a drizzle of hot sauce if desired. 7. Place a fried chicken breast on top of the toppings and cover with the remaining bun halves. 8. Serve the homemade Zinger burgers immediately while they're still warm. Enjoy your Zinger burger.